AI is not only coming for your job, it's coming for you. AI is the future. My friends, technology is undefeated. So you can take a step back and do one of two things. You can be scared of it, you can pretend it's not going to come, or you can embrace it. And if you look at through the dawn of history, any smart entrepreneur person who's embraced technology, typically they stack the deck in their favor and they are better off for it. I do want to talk a little bit about my insecurities about it. Now, I don't think it's going to be taking people's jobs, but it might think that humanity is a force to be reckoned with, and it might eliminate us. Do I know that's going to happen? No. Do I think AI is malicious or has a malicious intent? I don't. But when I look at the example of human nature and the human race, I'll use the example of ants in an anthill. Do we believe that ants are malicious and are a threat to humanity? No, we don't. However, if we're trying to build a building or a skyscraper and there's anthills in the way, humanity is going to run that right over. So for me, that could be a complication if AI figures out or at least calculates that human nature is a drain on humanity or the world or the environment, whatever the case may be. So that would be an unintended consequence that keeps me up at night. But aside from that, it's a practical application to business. Number one, you need to embrace it. You need to adopt it. Otherwise, you're going to be left behind. Think about people back in the day who did not adopt cars, and they were thinking, okay, horses are going to be the future for humanity. They were sorely mistaken. The second innovation, which think about when technology and cell phones and computers. At first, it's scary. It's new. There's a lot of unknowns, but the people and the business entrepreneurs, the business community that adopted, embraced technology, computers, cell phones, guess what? They won. And that's the same for AI. So AI is going to do a lot for the industry. It's going to be able to be a great communication tool. You're going to be able to write copy and write articles and do things a lot quicker. You're going to be able to set appointments with your clients. So it's going to create so much more efficiency. It's going to reduce the work volume, which I believe is going to have a really strong result for gym owners just like you to be able to grow your business at scale with a fraction of the cost and a fraction of the output. Now, that in mind, one thing that's not going to do, it's not going to replace interpersonal communication and connection. First and foremost, we are in the people business. We are in the connection business. So if you think AI is going to completely automate your ability to connect and communicate and really reach another person on an emotional level, you are sorely mistaken. AI will be a tool to increase your efficiency and increase your scalability of your business. Without question, it will not replace the interpersonal communication. If you can remember what business you are truly in, which is the people business, was the connection business, then you're going to be able to use AI as a tool to grow your business and grow your life.